Hello and welcome back to our channel, or welcome to our channel. Today we are here with a new thing, that is how to design a business card. Yes, not a mock-up today, a little innovative and new thing for you, that is a design. So let's start with our today's work. To make this premium quality business card, first we will select File and go to New. But now one thing to note, that is it has a certain measurements. Okay, so for that we will take the pixel. We'll set the pixel in inches. We'll first take the width to 3.5 and the height will be 2. Okay, the resolution will be 300, approximately 300, so that quality is good. So now let's start the designing part. See, we have the page set up. First selecting the pen tool, then we'll take the add anchor tool. Now observe minutely. Same, we took the add anchor point tools. Now we will adjust the shape. You can make whatever shape you need. Here I'm giving you a demo, so observe it very minutely and carefully. We will color it for our better understanding so that we can separate it. Now we will create another shape in the similar process by using the pen tool and anchor tool. We will select another color for this. The purpose is to understand that you are having two different elements there. We'll bring the line downwards a little. Now we'll adjust the C. See, there is a curve right there, right? So I will adjust the second shape according to that curve. Now we'll see if all the things are right or not. Now on that portion we'll color it in black. We'll take a rectangle tool, then and we will bring it at the very down, then change the color to black. Now with an anchor point tool we will adjust all the points. Now the rest of the part we'll leave for the writing purposes. Now we have already downloaded some logos and icons beforehand. So you can download it from Google or any other source you have. Now first we'll take the logo. Now adjust the size according to your reference. We will place the logo around near the top. Now according to this color of this logo we will color the rest of the part. For that we will select that part and give it some gradient color. Adjust the points according to your liking. See how I'm adjusting the colors, like blue and yellowish effect. Now the rest of the part. Same, going to the gradient option and then we'll select the proper scales to make sure the gradient is okay. See how the lining has disappeared now? Now we will take the blue a little backwards. It means the darkness of the blue will get a little thicker. Now press OK. Now we will be adding some text here. That is, for that, first we'll take the logo very first and then the rest of the elements, which are the design elements, we'll group them and name them as elements. And the first one name as logo. Now add text and adjust the size of the box. Now it's colored in white, so you can't understand, so change the color of the border. And then you can write any name, your company's name. I'm just using a random name. Now I will change the font style a little. I'll take a bold one so that it's easy to notice. Also a classy one. Now I will change the color of the text a little. There you go. I'm trying to match the logo, if you ask, so that it gives a much more vibe, looks premium. We will see adjusting the colors, whichever you like and it looks better, select that, go for it. Add another text and give the designation. Here, against the name, you have to add all the details that you want to add in your card, like designation, your phone numbers, your address, your office address, your mail ID, qualifications, whatever you need to mention, you mention them against this name. Now here, how will you place that? I have showed you that. For the underline, we have gone for a rectangle. Control N, pressing Control N, we will decrease the size. Then we will go for the gradient color and adjust it a little bit more, and then we'll go to 0. Like before it was angular, now it's like vertical, so all the shades you can understand in that thin line. We'll adjust the sizes as you move forward, make the little adjustments. Now add on the more details. Now we'll draw a round shape here, and then we will again give it a gradient color. The main theme is we will give it 90 degree just so it's look horizontal and gives the, now give it a little stroke and decrease the size, adjust the size. Now we will take the phone's icon and drag and drop it and place it right in the middle of the circle. Then right click and change the color. White will go nice. Now that's the name part. So we will group it and name it something. Name, title, you can just name the file according to your understanding. Now we will take another text and add the phone number. Decrease the font size. I am giving a random number here. Enter your number or the person's card you are making. I'll change the color. And place it rightly. Decrease the size a little more. And then OK. So you have copied one number because sometimes there are like multiple numbers available. So we'll group this as call and we'll name it as call. Now we'll press Ctrl Z and copy the cell. And we'll copy it a little downwards. Now we'll delete the call's logo and we'll bring location, drag and drop. Okay, and every time you do it, you have to save it, remember? Otherwise it won't save. Again Ctrl T and decrease the size. Similarly, give it the white color. As the base is white, so this white color makes it more prominent. Location, just go for any location, a random location. I mean, of course you will use the location, proper location. I am going for a random one. Now see, we will again group it and name as location. Place it a little downwards because usually we place the location at the very bottom. Now we'll copy the location again and place it in the middle. Now we will delete the icon of the location and then we will take the logo of the website. And similarly, we'll edit all these parts. Now we have already made a clean front edge for our business card. Now, in the similar process, you can make your own business card, the very premium one. And that's it for today. Thank you.